Thai coffee. This with Starbucks coffee. Say cheese. Dami Subaru. Ooh. And we here in Subaru. Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. It's happy Saturday. We here in Subaru. Ayan. Nandito kami ni Sweetie para ipa-check ang aming babying si Subaru. Kasi every 3 months yata. I don't know. Kailangan i-check siya. And dito namin siya nabili sa kasang to. Sa Orange Country. Ayan. We're so very happy that okay na okay pa siya. And for almost magto 2 years na siya, or 2 years na, maganda pa rin siya at maayos. Yun. Dahil nga gada punta mo dito, parang na-attempt ka magpalit uli ng bagong sasakyan. But you know, if you work hard din talaga, you will be most reward for yourself. But anyway, it's not our priority this time. Kailangan naming mag-ipon dahil may mga other kaming priority. Ang dami nilang bago ngayon. Look. Yeah. And good news, I'm so excited. Then this time na baka very soon si Ate Tambe ay magda-driving na. So medyo naghahanap ako ng tamang buwelong, alam mo yan, mas ma-effortan, mas mapag-iponan na kahit maliit lang magkaroon siya ng sarili niyang sasakyan. Para pag uuwi kami, may sasakyan na rin na talagang siya na yung magda-drive. So guys, samahan nyo kami the rest of our Saturday. Mula dito sa Subaru, mag-church na rin kami ngayon. Mag-grocery kami sa Walmart. Mamamalengke na for 1 week. And mag-a-IKEA kami. I'm so excited. May mga ilang kaming dapat bilhin. Airplane kasi malapit yung airport dito. And yun, magre-relax at mamamasyal din kami ngayong Saturday. So samahan nyo kami ni Sweetie sa ating pasyal weekend. So let's go guys! Let's go. Hi guys! Tapos na kami na ipa-check up ang aming babing si Subaru. Almost perfect pa naman daw. Maganda pa rin, malinis, makintab. Kasi talagang halos iniingatan namin to ni Sweetie kahit dun sa aming lalagyan or garage kung saan nakalagay every night si Subaru. Kahit sa office niya, bumabayad talaga siya ng parking para safe sa init, safe sa ganun. Everything it's well, the aircon daw, the gulong, the makina, everything. So, okay naman siya. And I'm so very happy na kailangan talaga yung mga effort na pinaghihirapan natin ay pinag-iingatan natin. So, ang mga sasakyan din ay parang tao na kailangan i-check din time to time. Hindi lang yung sinasakyan natin. Okay? So, ngayon ay 12:30 na. So, ang next stop namin ay magla-lunch na kami ni Sweetie. So, let's go guys! Ayan o, sa loob nun. Next we have tofu, we have the rice, voila, the pork chops, so the rice, everything, and that one with Sweetie. Yes, the shawarma. DJ Max and Abby love you. Let's go guys. DJ Max. Guys, nandito kami sa loob ni Sweetie sa TJ Maxx. Ayan. So tayo ngayon ay magtititingin din ng mga ilan nating pwedeng iuwi. Dami lang sale. So samahan niyo ako mag-shopping, guys. Tingin tayo, guys, ng dress. Dami na. Nakitang bag, wala akong nakitang dress, so gusto kong bilhin. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa mga furniture and kitchen stuff. Tayo ay titingin ng pwede nating iuwi sa Pinas. Kasi naman talagang goal natin why we go to TJ Maxx. So, pili muna ako, guys. Announcements waiting. This is the church. Guys, welcome back to our channel. Nandito kami ni Sweetie sa isang church. First time namin magmamas dito. Ang laki-laki na, guys. Masyado pa kaming maaga, pero okay din yun kasi para makapag-nobina, makapagdasal tayo kasi before start of the mass, parang naging kaugalian ko na talaga yung magnobina ng Immaculate or St. Jude. Ipagdasal ang buong pamilya, kaibigan, negosyo, trabaho, kalusugan, may mga sakit. That is the one of my habit every time before start of the mass. And kung makakapag-confess, maganda rin yun, diba? So, ang laki ng church. Ganyan na. It's a modern church to. And ganda. Very solemn siya. Ganda-ganda niya. Look of the cross. So, let's go, guys. Samahan nyo kami the rest of our Saturday weekend sa aming pamamasyal. And tomorrow is Sunday. So, we're planning din talaga na magpahinga na sa bahay before we go back to work sa mga business namin, sa mga errands namin for 1 week. So, I'm very happy naman dahil after 5 days we work, talagang nilalaan namin yung 1 day na makapamasyal, makakain na maayos, makapag-grocery na, and para makapahinga na on the Sunday. Kasi kapag naman natatapos yung work ko at mga ilang business ko sa hapon, nakapagpahinga na ako, ay talagang sinisingit ko yung panglilinis or paglo-laundry para sa ganun. Pagdating talaga ng weekend, grocery or palengke na lang yung iintindihin namin para yung Sunday talaga is the whole day para magpahinga, check lang sa anak namin sa Pinas, family namin, nuod, tulog, para you have more church talaga pagbalik mo ng mga trabaho. And yun naman, ang sarap pamasyal sa mga ganitong lugar na sobrang tahimik din. And gustong-gusto talaga namin ni Sweetie na magsimba na para sa ganon. Top priority pa namin na kahit sobrang busy mo, you need to pray and you have to go to church talaga para mas mag-guide at mas ma-bless tayo. So, let's go, guys. Magmamass muna kami and balikan ko kayo before tayo pumunta ng IKEA. That is the last last pasyal at grocery at palengke na tayo. Then uuwi na para makapagpahinga na tayo. Okay, see you guys later.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living? Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. Little problems we could solve. Try another. I know you got one. There's a way. My life's calling. In the winter, driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me.
Yes, IKEA.
Taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. You're leaving with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer. Your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better than when they love you. Rumor has it, there's an angel in the crowd.
Nasa baba ka pa lang, ang dahil mo na makikita.
We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me. Ticking away at the walls and I can barely breathe.
Ganda guys.
This might be
The
my
house.
only chance to leave.
Buka sa ganyan.
Let's not miss this opportunity. With the crazy.
Ganda, another idea of the house in IKEA.
Tell my family I love them. Tell them that I'm doing everything I can to make it home for Christmas.
Guys, ang ganda niya. Magiging inspirasyon mo kung gusto mo mag-set up ng new house.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you got one.
So, Don Bingo, ano pong ginagawa niyo po dyan? And the bed. Ito para ka nasa Paris.
Driving to
Ganda,
Austin.
guys. Amazing organized. Sobrang feminine yung may... Parang feeling mo parang nasa Paris ka. Ganyan.
making fun of me.
So, dyan pa lang makikita nyo na yung mga iba't ibang pwede nyong mapili sa IKEA. Ay, diba guys? Ano, ganda guys.
This might be my only chance to leave.
So, this one is the cabinet. How old is the cabinet?
Let's not miss this supper.
Ay, ang ganda nito. Oh, I like it. Very nice. Kitchen. Ay, ito ang ganda rin, oh.
Carolina,
Simple kitchen. Ay, ang ganda nito.
crowds around you. Just
Okay.
talk to you.
Hanap ko ganitong kitchen. Kaya nga, princess. Look at sweetie.
Rumor has it there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me. Taking away at the wall.
Ito yung nilagyan ng mga pinggan. Ito yun. Ito pala, oh. Next time.
My only chance to leave.
Ang dami, guys. Guys. It's very beautiful and beautiful.
With the crazy.
So, ayan. Doon na po tayo pupunta. Okay, we're gonna buy that one.
To my family, I love them. Till let them do
Yeah.
everything I
But
can.
then,
Make it all
yan, everything.
Make it all right. Do it again, yeah.
Yan, guys. Ayan. Too much. Sweet. Okay. Okay. Walmart. So we're doing the Guys, I ending my vlog. Tapos na kami mag-grocery for our 1 week food. Tapos na rin kami sa lahat ng mga errands at pamamasyal at pag-relax namin sa labas. Uuwi na kami para mag-freshen up. And tomorrow, Sunday, gonna be whole day of take rest sa bahay lang. Checking with Ate Marian sa aming anak. Kikwento ko na lang sa inyo kung bakit kami pumunta ng IKEA. It's next vlog. Maraming salamat po to join us our weekend vlog or pamamasyal natin. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Please don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and subscribe our channel. Happy weekend po and see you again in my next vlog. Bye guys!